In this video, we will discuss about uh, another type of cancer, that is mucinous colorectal adenocarcinoma. And this kind of cancer usually arises because of the overexpression of the mucin on the cell surface. So let us understand how briefly this mucinous colorectal cancer works and how it metastasizes to different or secondary organs. So the role of mucin is to prevent the is to prevent it from the external organisms such as bacteria that we can see here. This mucin prevents act as a protective function and helps in the prevention of this endothelial layer from the foreign enzymes such as foreign organisms such as bacteria that we can see here. Its normal function. However, in the case of mucin, what happens is that there is a overproduction of this mucin, and that leads to the and this overproduction of mucin that could be because of the uncontrolled growth rate that could have occurred within this region, within these endothelial regions, and that could have led to this kind of conditions. So when the let us first understand what are the functions of this mucin in the case of this mucinous colorectal adenocarcinoma. So one of the function is that it will suppress these tumor suppressor genes, thereby preventing the cell death, program cell death that could have been triggered in the case of these mutated cells or tumor cells. And simultaneously, what happens is that along with suppressing the tumor uh, suppressor genes, it will also upregulate or promote these oncogenes, and these oncogenes helps in the proliferation and growth of this kind of tumor cells, and thereby this mucin helps in two different ways to proliferate and uh, also helps in the survival of this this mucinous colorectal adenocarcinoma. And one of the another function that this mucin does is it helps in the nutrient supply to these tumor cells, which is essential for the cell growth. And one of the important function this mucin does is helps in the metastasis of the cells to the secondary organ. So in the usual case, what happens is that when this uh, tumors reaches to this blood blood vessels, and these tumors are usually detected by the antibodies or immune cells present within the blood cells, and they will kill the tumors. However, when they are decorated with the mucin, as we can see here in this example, the immune cells will not be able to interact with the antigen on the tumor cells, and will not and this mucin in other ways helps in the immune evasion of this kind of tumor cells decorated with the mucin, and thereby these tumor cells will be able to survive, and they can easily metastasize to the secondary organ with the help of this uh, selectins that are present on the endothelial cells of the blood vessels, and thereby this tumor cells will be able to metastasize uh, to secondary organ with the help of this mucin formation. So this kind of cancer, that is mucinous colorectal adenocarcinoma cancer, are more prone to metastasis because of the shielding provided by the mucin, that helps in the immune evasion from the antibodies that are present in the endothelial cells. So this kind of so this kind of virus this kind of not virus this kind of disease is very much uh, detrimental compared to the other cancers, because the probability of the metastasis in the case of this mucinous colorectal carcinoma, colorectal adenocarcinoma is very high, and very high compared to the other cancers conditions, other cancers diseases. So I hope you have understood a brief overview about this mucinous colorectal adenocarcinoma. If you need to understand more about this disease, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.